Well, it says Mini on the badge, but nothing about this car is actually small. Well, welcome to the Mini Countryman C, and it's the car that's been made in India at the Chennai factory. So let's see what's special about this. Well, the color you're seeing in front of you is actually called the smoky green, but we all know Mini is famous for their British racing green. The car also comes equipped in 3 more other colors, which is called Nauk White, Chili Red, and Slate Blue. The car comes equipped in 4,447 mm in length. The car comes equipped with 1,843 mm in width, whereas the height of the car, it's 1,661 mm in height, whereas the wheelbase you're getting is 2,692. All of this are just numbers. What really matters for Indian roads is the ground clearance that we're seeing. Well, you get 190 mm of ground clearance. That's about, we just checked, that's about an iPhone and a half. So all those potholes, those bumpy speed breakers, you're safe. Well, for all those family trips that you're planning to take, let's see what's the boot space. Well, the car comes equipped with a 505-litre boot space. But if you fold the rear seats down, you get a whopping 1,450 litres. That's a hell lot. Well, we all know the ethanol crisis that's happening with us in India. But let's see, is this car actually ethanol compliant? It's E5, E10 and E25 compliant. So you don't really have to worry about the petrol quality. I would say just go ahead and fill normal speed on 95 octane. But let's talk about that engine. What you see here is engine capacity is 1499 cc with a max power output of 156 bhp. All of this with 240 Nm torque and a top speed of 212 kilometers per hour. It's an excellent package. Now all of this is happening in silence so that you can go a 0 to 100 in just 9 seconds. Best part, the company claims a fuel economy of 15.92 for each kilometer that you drive. Well, I think that's a lie because we managed to get a lot more out of it. We've been driving the car for a day now and we managed to get an 18. So I think it really depends on your driving style. We were driving it on city streets and bumper to bumper traffic, and that's when we achieved this. On the highway, I'm sure it'll be a lot more. A front collision warning, thanks to the ADAS, lane departure warning, reverse assistance, as well as attentiveness assistant. All of this with speed warning. Well, the speed warning chime is actually quite irritating sometimes, but a feature is a feature and it's actually helpful. Well, you get a paid option as well on this car. Well, you would have missed it, but these graphics that you see on the front bonnet, on the side mirrors, as well as on the side fenders, as well as on the rear boot, and we'll put pan shots for those, are actually paid options. Well, you get a 19-inch kaleidospoke two-tone wheels, a jet black roof with mirror caps, Vincent vintage brown upholstery, panoramic glass sunroof, 240 mm of circular OLED display, 8 experience modes, Harman Kardon hi-fi sound system, heads-up display, parking assistance plus with 360 camera, electrical adjustable seat massager for the driver. Well, conventional keys are so 2000s, I would say, because now you get this card as your digital key. So no longer you have to worry about carrying a key. If you have a card in your wallet, you know you have access to your car. So what's the final verdict? Our final verdict is that the car is extremely practical for all your city needs, as even for those long trips that you take with the entire family. Mini has definitely delivered something extremely big. A car definitely worth checking out. Stay tuned and we'll give you more updates like these very soon.